Do it alone. Cut people off if you really need that. Do it alone. Do anything which is very important to you, crucial to you, or maybe things which actually makes you happy. Do it alone. You don't need a group of people to just do that work or to be there for you. You don't need that, okay? You have to be very, you don't have to care about people. Oh, nobody's there for me. Okay, I have to go for, okay, I have to go for shopping. Then I have to find people. Nobody is coming along with me. So I have to, just feel guilty about it. It's nothing like that, okay? Don't you ever feel guilty about that, okay? Don't you ever feel guilty about that, no matter what, okay? No matter what. So you don't have to actually care about that nobody is coming along with you for shopping or for having a brunch or going for a walk, okay? You should be so confident within yourself that I don't care if somebody is coming along with me or not, okay? Don't hesitate to go alone, okay? Do things you can do. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to do things which you actually love with group of people or with somebody. Okay, you can do it alone. If you like something and you actually want to do that thing, it could be anything, okay? It could be anything, whatever you like, okay? Whether it is shopping, whether it is going for a walk, whether it is going for dinner, whether it is going for, you know, um, whether it is cooking something or whatever it is, going for a movie, okay? You should never feel that, okay, I have, I'm doing this alone because I have nobody to, you know, uh, be there for me in this. And so don't feel guilty about that, okay? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine if nobody's there for you, or it's fine if you are you are going to do things alone. It's okay to feel that. It's okay to do those things alone. It's fine. It's completely fine, okay? Earlier you will hesitate about it. Earlier you will be hesitant about it, but after that, uh, but after a while you will be very comfortable, and you will notice a lot of differences in you, okay, in yourself. And you will notice that you are exploring new things. And most important, solo dates are actually good, and I believe everyone should go on a solo date. Not every time, but sometimes. You should enjoy your own company. You should enjoy your own solo date, okay? And I can guarantee you, you will explore things and you will enjoy it, and you will learn a lot about many things around you, and especially things about yourself. You will explore yourself. You don't have to be hesitant every fucking time that, oh, I have to go alone there, oh, I have to go on a trip alone because one of my few friends ditch me. Okay, so it's fine, it's totally completely fine. Okay, and cutting people off is actually a good thing to do to yourself. Okay, uh, actually you are cutting people who don't deserve you at the very first place. Okay, you are actually very lucky and blessed that you came to know about their true colors, about what kind of person they are on the very early on. Okay, and so please respect yourself, adore yourself, enjoy your own company, and it's very okay to explore things alone, do things alone which you like to do, and most important, just enjoy the process. Just enjoy the process. If you are enjoying that process, you are good to go. You are good to go. I'm telling you, you will love it. After after a while, after going alone for whatever things, whichever things you like, okay, and you will love it after some point of time, and you should do it. Everyone should do it, okay? So, and being alone is okay. Okay, being alone is okay, and respect yourself, and also surround yourself with a group of people who actually loves you, who actually care about you, who actually adores you. Okay, and the most important thing, who actually respect you. Okay, and do those things alone. Okay, I know you are scared earlier, but when you start doing those things which you actually like it, and stop depending on other people to actually be there for you, you will notice a vast difference around you, around your surroundings, within yourself. Okay, so do those things, and I know you will enjoy it after some point of time. Just enjoy. Just do those things for fun. Being alone is okay. Okay?